Hi, I'm Jimmy. I've been an apprentice here at Technoturn for about 4 weeks. So far, I've been in the lathe rooms. So I've been in shop 2 and 3, which is fixed head lathes and sliding head lathes so far. I've operated a manual lathe to make a small part so far. We have 2 days at college, me and the other apprentices. On the Thursday, which is one of our days, is mostly practical bench work at current. We are going to be moving on to lathes soon because we're currently making a G-clamp, so we're making the bolt for that now. And then on the Friday is more theory side of things, where we're learning about health and safety, all like the CAD work, looking at engineering drawings, more in depth on the math and language associated with engineering. A typical day at Technoturn is getting in at 8 o'clock, greeting the team more or less, saying hi to who you're working with for the day. If there's parts that need inspecting, you're picking parts up, you're running through the inspection sheets, making sure they're all good. If there's any issues, take it back to the setter. They might be able to sort it out on the fly, like a tool offset. I chose an apprenticeship because if you just go to college, there's no guarantee you come out with any work. Whereas with an apprenticeship, you're learning and you're working at the same time. So you've already got a concrete foundation to learn all the little tricks that you won't necessarily get taught at college. The team is wonderful. Everyone's really friendly. They're all just eager to give you knowledge on how to do things certain ways. It's quite convenient for positioning. It's not too far, not too close.